just be chasing them bands. You know I've been getting them bands up. Ay, I got the receipts, your bitch on the link. She said that the nigga look handsome. My diamonds they blink, design on my teeth. I make a bitch drip like a phantom. Ay, get hit with the heat. If you try to sneak, you know that I'll stay with the blammer.
It's your boy Mark Bang, and I'm back again with another vlog. And today, I know the scenery look different. I know it do. But today, I'm with my nigga.
Ty the realest in this bitch here.
It's Fisherman Moore, Fisherman Ty in the gut. And look, it's gonna be the first time a nigga finna go fishing. So, and look, you know we got the, come on now. You know we got the gas. So, me and my boy, Ty, we finna go fishing. And this is my first time fishing. I don't really even know how to fish for real. So, yeah, y'all already know. Y'all fucking with, you know. I already know y'all fucking with the nigga type shit. So just go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe on the video. And yeah, if y'all fucking with a nigga, I need this video to 10 likes. Y'all get this video to 10 likes, I drop. I don't know what I'll drop, but just get this bitch to 10 likes. And I'll do another part 2 of fishing with Ty. Y'all get this mug to 10 likes, I'm gonna do a part 2 fishing with me and Ty. Maybe, you know, more people will come with us type shit to fish. And then we'll do a who can catch the most fish video. So yeah, get this mug to 10 likes. And then when I do another one, I want that to 10 likes. Then I drop a who can get the most fish in 24 hours video with the guys. So yeah, we just walking, you know, walking to the spot right now. You know, we gotta wear that good shit when you out here. But hey, this is my first time fishing. I'm happy than a motherfucker that no cat. Fisherman Mark. Yeah, I need that little bucket hat. The little bucket hat. I get the bucket hat with the little chair. Yeah. I'm a real deal be a fisherman. No cat. But nah though. I'm gonna tap in with y'all when we get to the spot. Hold up though. This bitch looks so clear though. I'll see it. In the trees with it, man. Marching. I'm gonna tap in with y'all. We out. Y'all already know vlog. Y'all know where we at. Just got to the area type shit. And this our little fishing area. Yes, sir. We finna get lit. Hey, nigga. Hey, show them what we fishing with, nigga. We got the thing stuck. Oh, yeah. Big worm, nigga. Big worm. No cap.
And I got my stick at this bitch.
Got that poking stick just for that motherfucker, too. And I'm gonna set y'all up when we finna get active. No cap. Oh, yeah. My boy finna throw hit. Wait, hold up. Fuck it. He threw that bit out. I don't know where that whole land. Oh, there we go. Tight shit. Finna set y'all up though, vlog. That's how you put your worm on that bit. Wrap that motherfucker up, nigga. My bang gang. like I was on the vlog. Nope. Yeah. Oh. Oh, he got him some. Hey, he gave me guitar hard. He coming on the back.
Yeah, nigga,
Yeah.
stop playing. Stop playing, boy. Stop playing. You can get that bucket. Go kiss out.
That nigga Todd and call when you gotta get in that bucket.
That bucket, that's in my car. You trying to check this? Wait. Damn, hold on. I got a string in my shit. I can move. Damn, I'm about to move this shit.
Move the vlog.
Yeah, move the vlog.
Here, grab the blood.
Shit, that fat motherfucker. Leave that bit right there. I'm gonna go to the car. Real quick.
Oh, my fault, vlog. But that boy didn't. Let me see. He didn't. Got him one. Got him one. I'm next. Hold up. I ain't lie, vlog. This nigga Todd goated. He just got back and caught him another fish just like that. He 2 fish down. I gotta catch up. I'm gonna catch me one right here, vlog. I got y'all. I'll tap in with y'all when I get one. No cap. Just hit record.
I'm already recording.
Tight shit, vlog. Tight shit. Talking about y'all praying on my downfall. Caught that mug on my own. What y'all talking about? Look at that. Yeah. Yeah. Look at that cute. Caught that fit. Caught me fit. Y'all already know what's going on, vlog. Got another one. That's 2 for 2.
Less than a minute.
Back to back. But ain't lie. This one too small. So I'm gonna throw my boy back in there. I'm gonna call this nigga Greenie. Green bean. That's what I'm gonna call him. Throwing green bean back to the water. Y'all know what I'm saying. But I got me 2. I'm gonna give me 1 more, and then we on slide. So I'm gonna tap in back with y'all when we get another one. Tap. Y'all not there. Yes, sir. This shit. I got one.
Yes, sir. So you put that bit out though.
I got one.
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah. Come here. I got that boy. I got that boy. I got that boy. I got that boy. Watch out. Yes, sir. Get that little fishy ishy. Get that little fishy ishy. Yeah, little motherfucker. I got that little fishy ishy, vlog. Oh, shit. Oh.
When you tryna be the best, it's a ladder to climb up. And it's all about the grind, cause ain't nowhere to sign up. I don't care about the fame, I'm just tryna see diamonds. I'm just tryna find a girl I can go and give my love.
Told y'all boys, I was gonna catch 1 more before I get off this mug. Give me that, Give me that, Yeah. Got me, little bro. Caught this motherfucker. You ate my worm, pussy. I'm call this nigga Pickle. Alright, Pickle. Pickle gone.
Nigga stupid.
Alright, my nigga Pickle. Right here. You ready? Hot right here. I'm hot right here, Ty. Told you. I told you I'm hot right here, Ty. I'm hot right here, Ty. We got out. I'm hot right here, Ty. I'm hot right here, Ty. I got him. I got him. I'm hot right here, Ty. Oh, it's stuck in your line. I'm just watch out. Oh shit. Oh shit. I done pulled it. Damn. Hey, I'm telling y'all boys, I'm really him. I'm really him. All these motherfuckers holding on to the thing. Let the hook go, cuz. Damn, I got his mouth bleeding. Yeah. He bleeding. Hey, cuz. I'm trying to get the hook out your shit. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Come here. Oh, yeah. Come here. Y'all see this? Another one caught, nigga. Look out. Oh. Oh, oh. Oh. Damn. Hey. Oh. Shit. Come on. Chill. I know you don't like me, man. Chill. Keep flapping. Let me hold you tight. Come here, nigga. My trophy. Yeah. Really hunting out here. Yeah, vlog. Yeah, vlog. Dead ain't ugly ain't Squidward looking at it. Sardine looking at it. Oh, yeah. We lit, though. I told y'all I'm 3 for 3 like Clay and no games, bro. 3 for 3 like Clay, nigga. Look at my nigga. My nigga just breathing. But hey, man too little, so. Huh? I got you. We lit. No cap. Fisherman Marv vlog coming soon. No cap. Y'all tapped in. Fuck that nigga. Yeah. Well, I'm hot in a beat. No cap. Been out here. Got me four fishes like Clay, nigga. 4 for 4. No Wendy's. But y'all ain't know. I ain't lie, I caught like 3 little ones. I was sick. But I got one in here. I'm gonna show y'all a little bucket. My nigga Ty, he caught, what you call it, Ty 3? Hold on. Set them up, no cap. Set y'all up, no cap. One dead. Hey, though. I'm finna flip y'all around, vlog. Know what I'm saying? Y'all know what I'm saying? 3 of them things in that mud. They don't want to move right now. Got 3 good size. You know, we got some babies I have to throw back. I'm gonna insert that clip when I launch that mud back in here. They just breathing. But hey, man too little, so. Huh? I got you. We lit. No cap. Fisherman Marv vlog coming soon. No cap. Y'all tapped in. Fuck that nigga. First time I ever been fishing. W. Caught 4 of them mugs though. Boom. Ain't a lot. This vlog ain't a lot. Deserves a like, comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe. I'm just playing though. But yeah, like the video. Subscribe, comment. Part 2 on the way. When y'all get this mug to 10 likes, I'll drop a part 2. Yeah, a lot vlog. Yeah, y'all. You know. I ain't gonna end it right here because I'm finna go to the gym. So I'll show y'all a little, you know, me green and a little, you know, a little something. Then after that, I'm gonna go to the crib, talk to y'all. And then that'll be the end of the video. So if y'all not tapped in. Y'all need to get tapped in before I tap y'all in, no cap. And I'm gonna get back with y'all when I get to the gym. We already played the game, let's play another one. Team! Green zone!
Sub-Zero. I just be chasing them bands. You know I've been getting the bands up. Ay, I got the receipts, your bitch on the link. She said that the nigga look handsome. My diamonds they blink, design on my teeth. I make a bitch drip like a Fanta. Ay, get hit with the heat. If you try to sneak, you know that I stay with the blammer. I just be chasing them bands. You know I've been getting the bands up. Ay, I got the receipts, your bitch on the link. She said that the nigga look handsome. My diamonds they blink, design on my teeth. I make a bitch drip like a Fanta. Ay, get hit with the heat. If you try to sneak, you know that I stay with the blammer. I just be chasing that paper. I don't know why these little niggas be hating. I don't be tripping, I stay with that laser. That pull on my waist and it's stuck like a staple. Half of these bitches be basic, stuck in a box like a motherfucking basement. They just be looking for niggas to save me, but then they go cheat, so it's really no saving. I leave a nigga disabled, flipping they block like a little piece of bacon. I put a spell on my Glock, it's amazing. My gun hide as hell when it pop color Satan. We should no mercy to traitors. Niggas act solid, don't tell me they the fakest. Dealing with problems in life, trying to make it. I'm finna be ballin' in life like the Lakers. Ain't taking no handouts, bitch, I'm the man now. I walk around with the fan now. I ain't giving no handouts, you niggas fanned out. I pop your top, that's a man down. They said they gon' spin around, we standing 10 down. Soon as they pull up the cans out. You say you the man, but then you get blamed. So little nigga, who is the man now? I just be chasing them bands. You know I've been getting the bands up. I got the receipts, your bitch on the link. She said that the nigga look handsome. My diamonds they blink, design on my teeth. I make a bitch drip like a Fanta. Get hit with the heat if you try to.
What's the move tonight?
What up, vlog?
It feel good.
I'm back. Just got done hooping on, motherfucker. Bullshit outside, you already know. That motherfucker do sound good as hell. But nigga hot. But ain't no vlog. I don't know what I'm finna do now. But I'm hot as hell. Got a little hoop session in, something like some fight. But now Reese trying to show off his weak ass little car. But nah though. You know what? This is a W video, don't cap. So smash that like button. Cause y'all know this is a fucking W. Caught 4 fishes. Hooped. Got a bucket. And yeah. Now I'm finna go somewhere else. I don't know where I'm finna go yet, so I'm gonna tap in with y'all when I get something. No cap. No. I need to trim my shit down. Low cut Morgan, high cut, medium cut Mark. So now I'm finna trim me, no cap. But we at our favorite store, Walmart. No kizzy, no cap. Got my boy.
Yo, it's your boy.
Shut up. You don't get no clout on this video. Get back.
Hey, it's your boy T.
No.
Rizzo, man.
B.
You a hater, bro.
No, we at Walmart with it though, vloggy. Coolin'. Man, no. Hey, though, bro. Y'all know my favorite thing to get out this house. Damn, they only got the right shit. But, shit. He finna get this little pistol grip for his camera. Ain't gonna lie. I'm tired of this shit. I ain't gonna lie with y'all. I can see it in my eyes. But nah, I'm gonna tap in with y'all, man. I might end this hoe in a minute, no cap. So I'm gonna tap back in with y'all in a minute.
Nigga look handsome. My diamonds they blink, design on my teeth. I make a bitch drip like a Fanta. Get hit with the heat. If you try to sneak, you know that I stay with the blammer.